Hey, it's Anissa with the deal on the Crinkled glass solar stake lights. And this is the easy and affordable way to add stunning curb appeal to your home. Let me take you through why this is so great. First, it's glass and you see the crinkled design. This throws off some beautiful ambient lighting. And the stainless steel body is both beautiful and durable. But what this is all about is the solar power. Solar power means you don't need an electrician, you don't need any wires, you can place these anywhere. And how it works is, it'll take the sunlight and charge all day, and then at night it will automatically turn on, and it has a runtime of up to 8 hours. So you want to make sure that you place these in a good source of sunlight. Now the installation is a breeze. When you take it out of the box, it's going to be like this. You need to turn the switch on one time, then place the pole on the head. And here's a tip. Make sure you pound the stake in where you want it before, and then you just slide it on and it's ready to go. High quality and durability is what this entire light is about. From the 2 warm LEDs and solar panel inside to the solid crinkled glass. Now the best thing is, these are weatherproof, so you can place them anywhere and everywhere. They look great on pathways, around your garden, around a pool. You're gonna wanna buy a bunch of them because they're gorgeous. And when you buy more, you save more. So don't wait, head on over to the site and grab them today.